Hey pretty girls, welcome back to another video. So today I'm just doing another sew-in on one of my clients, an easy, fast, efficient way. So go ahead and keep watching to see how I styled her hair. In my opinion, this is the best way to get a flat surface. You want to do anchor braids around the leave out, whether it's a side part, middle part, versatile, whatever, and then you want to braid down. So I didn't zoom in or go into detail on how to sew, but if you guys would like a detailed video on how to do so, just let me know and I got you. Since these were straight bundles and I had colored them jet black for her the day before, I went on ahead and went in with the blow dryer. You will see in the next clip that I did blow dry her leave out as well, just to get a straighter leave out blend or whatever. So yeah, the rest of the video is basically just self-explanatory. I went in and blended her leave out, straightened the hair a little bit, and yeah, I hope you guys liked it. And if you're still here watching, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I promise more videos will be coming soon.